That problem was hard, but I think we solved it. The brain grows when you challenge it. So, does mine look any bigger? I'm not sure. Does mine? Excuse us, Miss Einstein. Could you measure our brain growth?
I don't think that measuring tape will help us, Ralphie.
Why not?
The brain is made up of tiny cells called neurons, which grow without your head changing size.
Oh yeah, I knew that. Neurons? That sounds yummy. Neurons are much too important to eat. Everyone knows that. Well, what do they do?
Whenever you do anything, from math to cartwheels, your neurons communicate with each other to make it happen.
By, talking, right?
Good guess, Ralphie. But actually, it's by sending an energy boost.
What's an energy boost?
I was hoping you'd ask. All right, neurons, are you ready to demonstrate how the brain grows?
Yeah!
When you learn something new, it sends a signal to your brain. Inside your brain, that signal gives a neuron an energy boost. When a neuron gets energized, it releases something called neurotransmitters, which pass the energy boost to a neighbor neuron, creating a connection. Each neuron passes the boost to its neighbor and creates another connection. But when you first learn something new, the connections between your neurons aren't very strong. Each time you practice what you've learned, the connections grow stronger. If you practice a lot, the connections grow really strong. And the more you practice challenging things, the more new connections you create.
Yay! But, why do challenges make new connections?
For something to be a challenge, you have to struggle with it.
Struggling isn't very fun.
Unless you remember that the brain is like
a muscle!
When you struggle during exercise, it's a signal to your body to help grow the muscles you're using. When you struggle to learn something, it's a signal to your brain to send more energy and attention to your struggling neurons, which helps them create and strengthen new connections. So tackling challenges gives you the power to grow and change your brain.
Whoa! May we eat our blueberries? I mean, neurotransmitters now?
Sure.
Sophia, I'm sorry I pretended to know all about the brain.
It's okay.
I thought it was better to know everything already. I had no idea that tiny cells called neurons use energy boosts to grow my brain when I learn new and challenging things. Me either. How is this not considered a superpower? What about you? Do you like learning challenging things?